Faith Kalu here, your number one update mama, bringing you the gist, hot and fresh. So the word on the streets now is, both on Twitter and around Anambra State, is that some hotels are allegedly turning into kidnappers' dens as we speak. Yes, so to you who is in this video, especially you who is in Anambra State in Nigeria, kindly stay and listen to what I have to say. And if you know someone or someone who knows someone, kindly spread the word, because this is no longer funny. Can you imagine? The hotel making waves now is located in Oba, in Anambra State, Idemili South precisely, and is known as Udoka Golden Point Hotel and Suites, aka La Cruz Hotel. To those of you who know Oba very well, you should be able to tell where this hotel is. This place is along the Onitsha-Owerri Road, and the government decided to demolish it completely. But here's the thing. My question is, why demolition? Is demolition really the best option? If the allegations are really true, why not confiscate the building through a court injunction and use it for something beneficial to the public, right? This is just my own opinion. I mean, turn it into a hospital or a police station or even a government office instead of wasting such a massive structure. Demolishing a place like this feels like throwing away potential. Abby, what do you think? Let me know in the comments. Meanwhile, to all my dearest viewers, please stay safe. I'm begging you, especially my people in Anambra State. Be cautious when visiting hotels or unfamiliar places. We don't know how many of these kinds of places might still be out there. Always verify before stepping in. This one, hotels are already turning into kidnappers' dens. Only God will help us in this country. This is Faith Kalu bringing you real-time updates as always. Make sure to stay locked on Ebony People TV for more news, and don't forget to like. I'll see you in the next video.
Start to them, it's a matter of time to start.